Right then, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. What we're going to cover this week is a exclusive recipe from the one and only Dishoom cookbook. Now, my wife took me to Dishoom in Manchester in June for my birthday. It was absolutely amazing. I've covered quite a few recipes in here now, so please do check out the playlist. I've actually just been granted permission by them to cover the recipes. I'm super excited. There was one particular recipe that I've been looking forward to cover for a long time, and it is the gunpowder potatoes. I had this at the restaurant and it was absolutely amazing. We're going to boil the potatoes, roast and grill them, and then we're just going to slightly char them, and then it's going to absorb those flavours. Now, this recipe is going to be oil and salt free. So I'm really going to convert this to be whole food plant-based. For the ingredients, I'm actually using some Jersey royal potatoes, green chillies, spring onions, limes, coriander or parsley. Rachel, Mark, you can substitute for parsley. And then in terms of the spices, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds. This recipe does call for kebab masala, which is the recipe covered at the back of the book. But I'm just going to cheat here and I'm just going to use some of the garam masala. So let's get going.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So all we do now, we transfer these into a mixing bowl. And And then while that's warm, we want to add some of the mixture so that it infuses in. That smells absolutely amazing. Absolutely incredible. Oh, really looking forward to trying this. Wow. So aromatic, so full of flavour. And to think there's no oil or salt in this, who needs it? And then also I added some of the fermented limes which I've made. Fermented limes are absolutely brilliant, so I hope you check that recipe out there. So, really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also check out my other Dishoom recipes. Also be interesting to hear what your favourite Dishoom recipes are. So I hope you all have a great week. Enjoy everyone.